10 lines on barking deer. Barking deer is also known as the Indian muntjac. The color of its coat vary seasonally from yellowish, greenish brown or dark brown. It is a very shy creature and prefer to live in isolation. It emits a sound like a dog barking when it senses the presence of a predator. It feeds on fruits, shoots, seeds, small animals, and birds' eggs. The male has short antlers that curve backwards. The female has bony knobs instead of antlers. It is more active during the night. Its average lifespan is 20 to 30 years. It is considered vulnerable due to habitat loss and illegal hunting. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel to get more latest videos. Thanks for watching.